Morning. It's pool day. Woohoo! Daniel, say hello.
Hello.
At the pool, so we haven't really shown you the pool because it's dead this morning, so I can actually film a little bit. But there's no one about. So this is the pool area. You can see it's absolutely massive. Wow, I know. That's the slide over there. And then the bridges. So you've got these. This is the lazy river. There's no one on it yet. You can float around there. There's the tyres over there. That's the water slide up there. It's the water slide over there. You can see it's at the top, and then you slide all the way down into the pool. This is the sandy beach. You can hire cabins as well. Another pool area. This is the lazy river. This is the sandy bottom beach, so it's all sandy. You can play in the sand. And this is only half of it. The other half is over there. So this is like more the quieter area, and the kids are all over there at the two ends. And there's a big entertainment over there. They do games. There's also a spa up there. So yeah, absolutely great day. Great pool. So, and there's Daniel, as usual, doing nothing. So we're just going to have a chill out at the pool this morning and hopefully go to Epcot. Special shout out to Olivia, who's lovely, works as a pool attendant. We've spoken to her a couple of times. She remembers us and always says hello, so we gave her a compliment. And let's just relax. I might go there. So we're just going to go for a little walk around the pool. So there's lots of little bridges you can go up and over. Here we go. I'm going to have a look up here. I've not been up here. That's the water slide there. You have to cross the road and go over the road into the gate and then back down again. Here we go. See how you can see how big it is because it's a long walk all the way up here. Down again. Another bridge. This is sort of the kids' pool here. We won't linger. There we go. And then let's have a look up here. I've not been up here. I might get a nice view. Problem with being up here is there's no toilets or bar. So there's the that's the exit to the water slide. You see the water slide starts there at the ship, you can see it, and then it goes all the way down and you end up down there. Lots of lifeguards on duty, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is a nice area. Oh, there's a pool table. Music. It's a bit noisy up here. And there's a better view of the water slide. So like you see, actually, we couldn't work out how to get on the water slide the first time. So you just actually have to come round. And then there's the view of the boardwalk and people walking past. So that's really nice. Nice shot of the windmill up there. Windmill goes round and round she goes. There's also a pool bar. So the pool is open 10 AM till 10 PM off season and 10 AM till 11 PM on season, peak season. So we've straggled both. So the first week it finished 11, this week it's finishing at 10. I'm going to be doing some work this morning. That's Hurricane Hannah's, that's sort of the bar. I don't know, probably opens at 11 o'clock. And that is and there's the cabanas, you can rent those for the day. I think they're about $100, $200 a day. They're not cheap anyway. Nothing's too cheap in Disney, is it? So let's go out. That's it. I think that's the tour over. I'm going to go and sit down, relax now. It's nice and cloudy today, but it's still about 30 degrees. So, you know, shade is what you want. Right. This is also one of the deepest pools in Disney. It goes to 8 feet at one point. Most Disney pools, you know, sort of hover around 4 or 5 feet, so you can't drown. This one you definitely could drown in. So there are plenty of lifeguards. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I counted 12 just by glancing across. Oh, plus one on the slides. There's at least 13 lifeguards on duty today. Oh, let's just relax. Oh, this is better. All right, Daniel. You're hungry? We're going to get some breakfast. So we're at the bar, beach pool, and we are having brunch. What are you having, Daniel?
A cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger without bacon. I'm having a cheeseburger with bacon. Very nice. Is it nice?
Good burger.
Burger. Nice and hot, very tasty. Plenty of chips. Tomato sauce, you get mustard, mayonnaise, everything. Gonna enjoy this. It's a beautiful day now. The sun's come out, the sun is shining, no signs of any storms. A-OK, man. Oh, can't see. But the burger was excellent. Really good. We just sat here. It's just a nice, beautiful day. Who's here? How was your burger, Daniel?
My burger was nice. I don't really like burgers.
We haven't had a burger all the time we've been here.
Well,
we had to have a burger. It was excellent, no?
It was a good burger.
For $12.
Was it not 13 something?
I think it was $12.
What about tax?
I don't know. Who knows? So yeah, we've had our burger. Very good. 9 out of 10. Chips were good. Everything was very hot. Lots of sauces, and brought our sunbeds. So that's what you call service. Hopefully I'll have a little sleep. Martin's back. Hello, Martin. Hello. Ow! Stop it! Bite Uncle Daniel.
Stay away from me.
We're still by the pool. We've decided not to go to Guardians. We're just going to stay here. We can't be bothered to move. Can we, Martin? Okay, so it's just the waiter's just going by. We've just brought. Oh, he's still going by. Oh. We brought some margarita to the pool. I don't know whether you're allowed to or not. I think you probably are. I think you can bring whatever you want as long as it's not in a glass bottle. But, you know, it's very nice. My sister-in-law brought it because they're leaving today. The family leave. They're on the 10 o'clock plane, which is delayed till 11 o'clock. They're just in Epcot now. They parked in our hotel for the day. So, Daniel, shall I send them? So the last treat of the holiday is a kitchen sink, and Noah's going to eat it all himself. Yeah. And we're having another one between 6 of us. Hey, does that look good?
Yeah.
Yes. You excited, Willow?
Yes.
Let's go. Eat, eat, eat. Very expensive, very expensive. To be $3 in the mall for the same thing. Oh, it's freezing. I want you. Xander, say hello, Granny.
I've seen a water machine here somewhere.
Say hello, Granny. We're making a video for Granny.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Granny.
Yo, it's the end of the video now, Granny. No, it's so sad. Don't go. Don't go, don't go. Stay 2 more days.
Maybe you can take us on another holiday, Granny.
Another, yes, mate. Back to Disney.
Yes.
You can pay us all 20 grand, Granny, for all of us. One done for your birthday because they can do it by photos, but then we didn't have any good photos of you, so we didn't. Are you sad? Are you all feeling sad?
Yeah. I
So
don't want to
sad. Stay with us. Oh, stay.
Yes, let's use your arm, chop it off.
Right, are we off then?
There's some really sad music over it. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Oh,
Oh, look at this.
fly safely.
Come on, you've done this. You can walk virtually undercover all the way. Just watch your step.
Bye. The long farewell. Bye. And they disappeared out of sight.